Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix a Steam owned login with the correct email and password. Let's fix it guys. As you can see, I tried to log in with my correct username and password, but it's wanted logged me in. To fix this, you just need to open up File Explorer, go to this PC, local disk C, program files x86, find Steam folder, double click on it. Double click on the config folder. In here you just need to right click on the config.vdf and select open with and select notepad, and now you just need to select this edit option and select find. In find you just need to type accounts and select search option over here, and now under accounts you can able to see your username guys. This is your correct username. Just copy your username. After that, go back to Steam login page and change the username like this. Just paste it. Paste it with the Control plus V. After pasting it, select sign in option, and now enter the code from your email address. Just need to copy and paste the code, and now you can log in without having any problem, as you can see. And that's how I fixed Steam owned login with correct email and password. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.